So hello dear students, as in our previous video we have learnt about the Paint 3D, that how to add the sticker, how to remove the sticker. So today we are going to start the new topic, that is adding 3D text to the canvas. If you want to add that 3D text to your canvas in Paint 3D, so you can do it. As in MS Paint you have learnt how to add the 2D text to your canvas. In MS Paint you have only there's only feature of adding 2D text to the canvas, but in Paint 3D you can also add the 3D text to the canvas. Okay, the MS Paint program you can only add 2D text to your drawing, but in 3D Paint you can create both 2D and 3D text. If you want to add 3D text to your canvas, so these are the steps. Click on the text tool that are located on the top menu. When you click on it, the pointer changes to an arrow sign like this, as you can see, this type of sign. Okay, click and drag the text box on the canvas area. Okay, when you drag the text box to the canvas area, a dotted rectangular box with the option to rotate the text box will appear with the blinking cursor. Okay, inside it, so type the text as shown in the text box, and you can use the rotation tool to change and convert the text into 3D. As here you can see this. When you choose the text tool, the pointer changes into arrow sign, and when you drag the text box to the canvas area, it will be like this dotted rectangular box. Okay, so it will be like this, and then blinking cursor. Here you can see, by using this you can rotate the picture. So rotate the text using a y-axis tool up to the position where it takes it 3D form. So you can rotate it and make it in 3D form. Okay, next one is deleting 3D text from the canvas. You have added 3D text to the canvas, but now if it is not according to your requirement and you want to delete it, so you can delete it. These are the steps to delete 3D text. Select the 3D text box using the select tool, as I told you in select tool. Here you can see, this is the select tool. Go to the select tool from the top menu. Once the text has been selected, click on the deleted icon in the 3D selection panel. Now you have learned how to draw 2D 3D object in the Paint 3D. You can also enhance the look of your art using the texture, effect and etc. Okay,